Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about limit. So now I want to show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That is about a square minus b square equals to a minus b multiplied by a plus b. So for this one, that is about the square root of number 7 to the power of 2. So this one, that is about 8 square. This one, that is about b square. So we need to transform this one into this one. And we have like this. Now, we need to simplify on numerator and denominator. And now, we can put the square root of number 7 gone here. And we have the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.